traffic circle at the second exit after 1,000 feet and continue on County Highway 17. Leave the traffic circle at the second exit. Leave the traffic circle at the third exit after a quarter of a mile onto County Highway 12. Leave the traffic circle at the third exit. Leave the traffic circle at the second exit after 3/4 of a mile and continue on County Highway 17. Leave the traffic circle at the second exit after a quarter of a mile and continue on County Highway 17. Leave the traffic circle at the second exit. Leave the traffic circle at the third exit after 1/2 mile. Leave the traffic circle at the third exit after a quarter of a mile. Leave the traffic circle at the third exit, then make the second right turn.
Oh, you were supposed to go over to the third exit.
That was.
I was going to get you
Turn
back on the
right
highway.
after 1 mile onto US 14 East.
You want me to turn?
Yeah, follow it to get back on 14 East so we can go back into Mankato on the highway. Well, it's going to take you that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, follow your navigation.
Okay. Well, it's taking me like 800 miles somewhere, so I wasn't quite sure it would actually be doing that.
Turn right after 3/4 of a mile onto US 14 East.
We're going to want to go left where it wants us turning right. So.
Okay.
Turn right after 700 feet onto US 14 East.
I can only go right.
Yeah,
Turn
but then you'll
next
get a
right.
spot where you can go left. The left lane.